Alright, Cole. Not sure if you remember this sled, but check this out. We'll do a race mod real quick on that thing. Oh yeah, race mod. Windshield? Ah. Look at those aerodynamics. Let me give you a better view. Check out those aerodynamics. Woo! Hey, so I probably just put down my fastest lap with the windshield off. Aerodynamics are just awesome. I think I hit about 30 miles an hour. I don't know, this thing could be running at kilometers, who knows, kilometers. So if I hit 30 kilometers, it's probably about 25 or something. Anyways, I don't know if it's worth it though. It's so freaking cold without the windshield, but visuals are better, aerodynamics are better, it's just colder. All right, have fun out there, bud. Just give you guys a perspective on what I'm looking at right here. You got the 600 triple 2-stroke 1990 something, I don't even know, 99, who knows. Got one mirror over here, that way I can see whose doors I'm just blowing off when I get on the pipes. If anybody out there has a line on some freaking triple pipes for an XLT, let me know. Be real interested in getting those for a good deal. So far, the mods I've made to this sled: took the windshield off, cleaned out the pilot jets, main jets. I put the spark plugs on the right order. They had this thing all mixed up. PTO was going to mag, mag was going to PTO. It was just running bad. Fuel gauge still doesn't work on it, but I have tachometer, speedometer. It looks like I am running in miles per hour, so that's good. Freaking heated grips are working like a charm. Got this sweet mountain bar on here, running a 1-inch track. I think I got a 133-inch length. So just want to give you guys a view of what's going on right there. Well, that's called theft protection. Just cover up this screaming demon with the Arctic Cat cover. Nobody's gonna take it. Sweet D getting ready to tube down this little hill right here on the sports stuff. He's gonna go so fast. Holy cow! Woo! Woo!